Hello everyone, welcome to Sulfursoft. Today we are going to start lecture number 6 of Python Mega course, in which we will discuss an overview of data types in Python. Let's start. As already I have discussed in previous videos that if we want to declare a variable, then equal to sign is used, and a variable is assigned a value after the equal to sign. A is equal to 10. 10 is the value assigned to the variable or identifier whose name is A. Data type represents the type of data present inside the variable. Let's move toward the pie chart to further explain it. We have defined A is equal to 10. What will be the data type of A? Data type of A will be integer. We will discuss how many data types are there in Python, but the value defines the data type of variable. At this moment, the value of A is 10. We will change the value of A, Henry, then data type of A will become string. Let's see how many data types are there in Python. Python has following data types: integer, float, complex, boolean, string, list, tuple, set, frozenset, dictionary, which is also called dict. We shall discuss individual data type in depth and thoroughly in future videos, and I will cover individual data type in a single video. For example, I will cover int, I will cover float, I will cover complex. Every data type will be discussed thoroughly, but here I am going to give you an overview of data type. Python contains many useful functions, out of which I am going to discuss three functions which are relevant to this video: type, id, and isinstance function. Type function will tell us what is the type of this variable, what is the data type of this variable. This id function will be very much useful when we will discuss mutability and immutability in Python. Instance function will tell us that this variable is instance of specific data type or not. It will return true or false. And next, most of the time we have already used this function, but here I am going to tell you thoroughly that what print function do. Print function is used to print the value of variable. It is simple. Let's go to the pie chart to discuss one by one every function and every data type. We will have an overview of every data type. Initially, we will write data type int. A is equal to 20, as already we have seen. We shall first start with the int data type. A is equal to 20. I am going to check the type of A through type function. Let's run the code. Yes, it is integer type. What will be the ID of A? It is giving us a number in the memory that the address of A is this. Let me check if A is the instance of integer or not. Yes, true. So is instance function takes two variable, one which you have declared and the one with which you are going to compare it or you want to check it that whether this variable belongs to this class or not. For example, I do this string, what will happen? It will give me false. Now I'm going to make the A as Henry. Type of his string address is this and true. Now I'm going to make it as a float number 10.2 true. It is float number, its type is float, its address is this and true. Yes, it belongs to float class. I'm taking it as a boolean. And specifically, you must note that boolean class is the subclass of integer. We will discuss in future that why the boolean class is the subclass of integer, but here I'm going to write it int. It is boolean class, its address is this, and yes, boolean class is the subclass of integer or child class of integer. Boolean class is inherited from the integer class. What is inheritance? What are classes and how a class can be inherited from another class we will discuss in upcoming videos. Now I'm going to have a complex number 5 plus 6j. It's false because I'm writing here integer complex. True. And the class is complex class. Now I'm going to take list. Syntax of list is you take two bigger bracket, but we will discuss thoroughly. 1, 2, 3, 4 and list. Yes, true. It is list class. Text of tuple is you take two small brackets and you clearly tuple. Yes, it is tuple class. Its address is this and true. It belongs to tuple class. And now I'm going to take it set false because I have written it tuple. Now it is set true. We define the set with the middle brackets. I am going to define a dictionary now, a dictionary data type. Although we will cover the dictionary data type in full video and it will be explained thoroughly there, but consider it as a key value pair variable. So dictionary always in the form of key value. There is a key and that key has some corresponding value. The key can be digit, string, anything. We will cover in future, but here I am taking a S string and its value is 1. I'm taking F and its value is 2. It is dictionary. This is key, this is value. This is key, this is value. We will discuss thoroughly about the dictionary in future videos. See, true, dict, and this. We have covered a brief overview of all the data types here on the pie chart and shown you how type ID and isinstance function works and printed the value of individual function. Thank you.